Devya Parada Kshamapana Stotra. This actually, the Chandas is like Dakshinamurti Stotra. I was reciting it. For me, that Dakshinamurti Stotram, what I recite is totally, the tune different, it is different from what you people recite, because I think Sanskrit Vedanta Bharati, they just do it in a different way, because they are addressing a huge gathering, so it has to go in that kind of a, that is the reason they have different for me, like, Vishwam Darpana Drushyamana Nagari Tulyam Nijantargatam Pasyannatmani Mayaya Bhagirivo Bhutam Yata Nidraya. Because I recite it alone. So that is like, for me, that one goes. So I thought I'll go with this for this. If you want to change the tune, you are very literally, you can do anything, whatever you want. Because I thought this one, for me, like, because we are doing it alone here, not in a group, that is totally different, okay? So, if you want to change the tune, you have the full liberty to do it. So you don't need to just, especially you are going to Vedanta Bharati also, no? So there maybe will have a different tune.
There it is, Namatro Nayantram Tadapi Najani Sutimaho.
Like that? Nam. You will learn my way?
Yes.
It's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Na mantram no yantram tadabicha
Namantram Nayantram Tadapicha
na jane sutimaho
Najani Sutimaho
na chakvanam dhyanam tadabicha
Nachavanam Dhyanam Tadapicha
na jane stuti katha
Najani Stutikatha
na mantram no yantram tadabicha na jane stuti maho na chahvanam dhyanam tadabicha na jane stuti katha
Namantram no yantram tadapicha Najani Stutimaho Nachavanam Dhyanam Tadapicha Najani Stutikatha
na jane mudraste tadabicha
Najani mudrase tadapicha
na
Najani mudrase tadapicha
na jane vilapanam
Najani vilapanam Najani mudraste
tadabicha na jane vilapanam param jane madastvadanusaranam kleshaharanam
Param jane matasvadas
param jane madastha
Param jane matasvadanusaranam
kleshaharanam param jane madastvadanusaranam kleshaharanam.
Param jane matas
No, don't change the music. Param jane madastvadanusaranam kleshaharanam. It will be difficult for you people because tavadanusaranam kleshaharanam na jane mudraste tadabicha na jane vilapanam param jane madastvadanusaranam kleshaharanam.
Najani mudrase tadapicha Najani lalapanam Param jane madastvadanusaranam kleshaharanam.
One full I will recite the full first one, okay, till you get the grip of it. Na mantram no yantram tadabicha I think you can recite with me. Na mantram no yantram tadapi cha na jane stuti maho na jahvanam dhyanam tadapi cha na jane stuti kataha na jane mudraste tadapi cha na jane vilapanam param jane madastvadanusharanam kleshaharanam Viderajnanena dravina virahe. Or should I split it? Okay. Viderajnanena dravina virahena lasataya You want me to say the meaning for each word? Better? Na mantram, no yantram, tatapicha, na jane stutimaho. I don't know your mantra. I don't know your yantram. I don't know how to pray to you. I don't know anything. Okay? Na jane stutimaho. I don't know how to worship you also. I don't know how to praise you. Na chahvanam dhyanam tadapicha, na jane stutikata. Na chahva avahanam, how I have to do, consecrate you. Dhyanam, how to meditate on you. Stuti kada, all your stories, how to tell. I don't know anything. Na jane mudraste tadapicha, na jane vilappanam. All the mudras that they do it. I don't know anything. First, I don't know anything. All the mudras. Na jane vilappanam. I don't know even how to cry when I have to think about you. I don't know how even to simply cry for you. Simply, like, na jane vilappanam. Param jane majas tvadanusharanam kleshaharanam. The only thing that I know is, however imperfect I am, to follow your feet and think about you. I know that will take away klesha haranam, that will take away all my distress and afflictions. Okay? How, like, Vinayam, this is so many times when you recite this, you feel like, we don't know how to cry karke is telling. It really brings tears in your eyes. Vidherajnanena ajnanena, due to ignorance. Vidherajnanena dravina virahena lasathaya. Vidhi, I don't know the vidhi jnanam. Absolutely, all the procedures to be done. Vidhir, ajnanena. So, I don't know the procedures how to worship you. And due to lack of wealth, dravina virahena. Dravina means wealth. Virahena means due to lack of it. Lack of wealth. Lasathaya, due to lack of wealth. As well as my nature is like, very playful. I don't sit in one place properly. Lazy sometimes. I don't like to do things. Procrastination, all those things. Lasataya. All these defects I have. I don't have wealth to, give anything. And in the same way, I don't know any knowledge about the vidhis. Videya shaktiyatvat tava charanayorya chudirabhut. I think when we recite, we will be able to say it. Videya ashaktiyatvat. Due to lack of energy or charanayorya chudira means I get diverted from falling at your feet. because of my lack of focus or my failures. So I am not able to perform my duties the way it needs. There is always a diversion in whatever. Tadetat Kshantavyam Janani Sakalo Dharani Shive. So you are the mother Janani. You are the mother. So please pardon all these things. Because you are the savior of all. Jagadambike. You are the savior of Sakalo Dharini Shive. You are the auspicious one. Everything, you support everything. So save me from all these defects. Kuputro jayete kvajidavi kumata nabhavati. You can have a disobedient and disrespectful son, but not a mother. A bad son can exist, but bad mother will never be there. So I am the bad son. Forgive me all these things. You are a good mother because of that. Okay, this is the second one. Videranyanena dravina virahena lasataya.
Videranyanena dravina virahena lasataya. Videranyanena dravina virahena lasataya.
Videya shakyatvat.
Videya shakyatvat. Videya shakyatvat.
Tava charanayorya chutirabhut.
Tava charanayorya chutirabhut. Tava charanayorya chutirabhut.
I was not able to perform my duties for your holy feet and I got diverted. Chitirabhut is getting diverted from the what is supposed to be done. So I got diverted, he said. Videya shakyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut.
Videya shakyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut. Videya shakyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut.
Videranyanena dravina viragena lasataya. Videya shakyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut.
Videranyanena dravina virahena lasataya. Videya shakyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut. Videranyanena dravina virahena lasataya. Videya shakyatva tava charanayorya chutirabhut.
Tadetat kshantavyam.
Tadetat kshantavyam. Tadetat kshantavyam.
Janani sakalo dharini shive.
Janani sakalo dharini shive. Janani sakalo dharini shive.
Tadetat kshantavyam janani sakalo dharini shive.
Tadetat kshantavyam janani sakalo dharini shive. Tadetat kshantavyam janani sakalo dharini shive.
Kuputro jayet kvajitabi.
Kuputro jayete kvachitapi.
Jayet kvachitabi.
Kuputro jayete kvachitapi. Kuputro jayete kvachitapi.
Kumata na bhavati.
Kumata na bhavati. Kumata na bhavati.
Kuputro jayet kvachitabi. Kumata na bhavati.
Kuputro jayete kvachitapi. Kumata na bhavati. Kuputro jayete kvachitapi. Kumata na bhavati.
Son may Kuputra actually, like, son may go away from the mother. Mother will never leave the son. It is turning away from the parents. Mother especially. Mother Because he is addressing Ambal. A son can turn away and go off from the mother, but a mother will not turn away son permanently. Wherever she is, even if she is in the old age home, she will be thinking about the son. That is this second stanza, okay? Videranyanena dravina. I think you have to recite it with me. Try and recite it with me. Videranyanena dravina viragena lasataya videya shaktyatva tava charanayorya chudirabhut tadetat kshantavyam janani sakalodharini shive kuputro jayeta kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati prutuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala
Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala
Param tesha madhye virala
Param tesha madhye virala Param tesha madhye virala
Taraloham tava kusutaha
Taraloham tava sutaha Taraloham tava sutaha
Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala Param tesha madhye virala taraloham tava sutaha
Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala Param tesham madhye virala taraloham tava sutaha Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala Param tesham madhye virala taraloham tava sutaha.
There are a mother, Tavasutaha, Janani, mother. So, in this world, there are lot of sons you have. Simple-minded people who simply devote to you. I am the only rare one who is restless. I am the rarest one. Sarala means simple-minded people. They are everywhere. There are many sons of yours who are simple-minded. Viralatha means rare. Tarala means unsteady, restless. Virala taraloham aham tava sudaha. Your son, this rarest, no? I am a rare son of yours who is always restless. Other people are good. You have a lot of people. It is for this reason only I am asking you to protect me. That is the next line. So it is not proper for you to give up on me. You have to protect me. Okay. Tyaha. You cannot forsake me. You cannot forsake me. It is not appropriate. That is a samuchidam idam no. It is not appropriate for you to forsake me. Madhiyoyam tyaga.
Madhiyoyam tyaga. Madhiyoyam tyaga.
Madhiyoyam tyaga samuchidamidam no tava shive.
Madhiyoyam tyaga samuchidamidam no tava shive. Madhiyoyam tyaga samuchidamidam no tava shive.
Uchita means appropriate. Samuchita, the same word, samuchita idam. Idam no bhava shive. You are the auspicious one.
No, what does no here mean? Samuchitamidam no tavashive.
It is not appropriate for you to forsake me, no. Because of this nature of mind being so restless, you have got hundreds of people who follow you. Only one rare person is me, who is not doing things. So you have to forgive me for this. Kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati.
Kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati. Kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati.
Madiyoyam tyagas samujidamidam no tava shive. Kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati.
Madiyoyam tyagas samuchitamidam no tava shive. Kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati. Madiyoyam tyagas samuchitamidam no tava shive. Kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati.
Pruthuvyam putraste janani bhavas santi sarala param tesham madhye viralataraloham tava sutah madiyoyam tyagas samujidamidam no tava shive kuputro jayet kvajidabhi kumata na bhavati. We will do up to the fifth one, okay? And then we'll stop. Jagan matar matastava.
Jagan matar matastava. Jagan matar matastava.
Charana seva narachita.
Charana seva narachita. Charana seva narachita.
Jagannatha, your holy feet I have never served. I have never served your holy feet. Charana rachita. I have never performed any puja for your holy feet. Jagan matar matastava charana seva narachita.
Jagan matar matastava charana seva narachita. Jagan matar matastava charana seva narachita.
Navadhattam devi dravinamapi.
Navadhattam devi dravinamapi. Navadhattam devi dravinamapi.
Bhoyastava maya.
Bhuyastava maya. Bhuyastava maya.
I have never served your feet, holy feet. I have also never given anything, most of the time. I have never given anything. Whenever the worship is done, some wealth or some contribution you do, I have never done it. So both are minus. Jagan matar matastava charana sevana rachita. Navadattam devi dravinamapi bhoyastava maya.
Jagan matar matastava charana seva narachita. Navadattam devi dravinamapi bhuyastava maya. Jagan matar matastava charana seva narachita. Navadattam devi dravinamapi bhuyastava maya.
So in spite of all these things, you have loved me. You have loved me, the love you have towards me is incomparable, nirupama. So incomparable to, though I have not done anything to serve your holy feet, okay? Tatapi tvam sneham mayi.
Tatapi tvam sneham mayi. Tatapi tvam sneham mayi.
Nirupamam yat prakurushe.
Nirupamam yat prakurushe. Nirupamam yat prakurushe.
Tatapi tvam sneham mayi nirupamam yat prakurushe.
तथापि त्वं स्नेहं मयि निरुपमं यत् प्रकुरुषे तथापि त्वं स्नेहं मयि निरुपमं यत् प्रकुरुषे
कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति
कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति
जगन्मातर्मातस्तव चरणसेवा न रचिता न वा दत्तं देवी द्रविणमपि भूयस्तव मया तथापि त्वं स्नेहं मयि निरुपमं यत् प्रकुरुषे कुपुत्रो जायेत क्वचिदपि कुमाता न भवति परित्यक्ता देवा विविध सेवा कुलतया मया पंचासी परित्यक्ता देवा they have whenever the puja was being done or I have left that and gone, letting go of whatever is being done, parityakta, letting go. Yet so many worships, there is vividha seva, different types of worship also, I have let go. I have not participated in that. I have let go of everything. Like this, what? This misconduct had been there for Panchashidi, 85 years. 85 years I am living in this world and I have let go of all the pujas. Such a misconduct, such bad behavior is. Maya panchashide adhikamapanite tu vayasi. So, split it. Maya panchashide correct only. You want me to split it? No problem. Maya panchashide yamapi tu vayasi parityakta deva vividha seva kulataya Maya panchashide radhikamapanite tu vayasi. So all these 85 years have gone past of my 85 years of my life has passed now. I'm in the fag end of that life. At least because even at this point, if a grace does not say, Mother, where will I go? Whose mistake it is? Idanim chenmadastava tava yadi Krupanapi bhavita Niralambo lambo darajanani Kamyami sharanam Idanim chenmadas tava yadi kripa nabi bhavita. Even at this moment, I am nearing death now, 85 years are over. I have done nothing in my life. Even at this point of time, if your grace is not going to be there for me, chenmadas tava kripa. Your kripa is not in the chain mata. That is what she resides in the form of consciousness and anandam, the bliss inside me. Even you have, if that kripa is not there, I cannot realize that. I will not do anything, but I need only that kripa. Niralambo lamba. Niralamba means the one without any support. Nobody supports me. So Lambodara Janani, I seek refuge in you. Where will this Anade, the one who is without any support, will seek other than your feet? Lambodara Janani. You are the mother of Lambodara. Who else I will seek support? Kam yami sharanam. Who will I seek that support? Whom I will ask? Idanim chenmatastava yadi kripa napi bhavita.
Idanim chenmatastava yadi kripa napi bhavita. Idanim chenmatastava yadi kripa napi bhavita.
Niralambo lambo darajanani.
Niralambo lambo darajanani. Niralambo lambo darajanani.
Kamyami sharanam.
Kamyami sharanam. Kamyami sharanam.
Niralambo lambo darajanani kamyami sharanam. Now recite this one with me, okay? Parityakta deva vivida vida seva kulataya maya panchashide radhikamapanite tu vayasi idanim chenmadastava yadi krupanapi bhavita niralambo lambo darajanani kamyami sharanam. Today. Gurubhyo Namaha. Gurubhyo Namaha. Svapako jalpako bhavati madhupako pamagira. I actually, what ragam I have to sing? Same thoughts, huh? There also.
They're waiting for you.
We don't know, you don't know. Svapako jalpako bhavati.
Svapako jalpako bhavati.
Madhupako pamagira.
Madhupako pamagira. Madhupako pamagira.
Svapako jalpako bhavati. Madhupako pamagira.
Svapako jalpako bhavati. Madhupako pamagira.
Niratanko ranko viharati.
Niratanko ranko viharati.
Chiram koti kanakaihi.
Chiram koti kanakaihi.
Svapako jalpako bhavati. Madhupako pamagira. Niratanko ranko viharati. Chiram koti kanakaihi.
Svapako jalpako bhavati. Madhupako pamagira. Niratanko ranko viharati. Chiram koti kanakaihi. Svapako jalpako bhavati. Madhupako pamagira. Niratanko ranko viharati. Chiram koti kanakaihi.
Tava parne karne vishati.
तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति
मनुवर्णे फलमिदम्
मनुवर्णे फलमिदम् मनुवर्णे फलमिदम्
तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदम्
तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदम् तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदम्
जनको जानीते जननी
जनको जानीते जननी जनको जानीते जननी
जपनीयं जपविदौ
जपनीयं जपविदौ जपनीयं जपविदौ
जनको जानीते जननी जपनीयं जपविदौ
जनको जानीते जननी जपनीयं जपविदौ जनको जानीते जननी जपनीयं जपविदौ
Tavaparne. I will recite the entire one or 2 lines only first, so we can recite the entire. Tavaparne karne vishati manuvarne phalamidam janako janite janani japaniyam japavidau.
तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदम् जनको जानीते जननी जपनीयं जपविदौ तवापर्णे कर्णे विशति मनुवर्णे फलमिदम् जनको जानीते जननी जपनीयं जपविदौ.
We'll see the meaning of this. Now we will recite it once. Swapako jalpako bhavati madhupako pamagira niratanko ranko viharati chiram koti kanakai tava parne karne vishati manuvarne phalamidam janako janite janani japaniyam japavidau. First line. Swapako jalpako bhavati madhupako mabakira. Swapaka means a chandala. The chandala. Swapako. Swapako means a chandala who eats normally the dogs. They are the ones who eat the dogs. So there is also from his mouth no good speech comes, no good words come. Chandala means they don't speak good words. He becomes jalpaka, that is talkative. Swapako, who is a Nicha in birth and from whose mouth no good words come out. He becomes talkative with speech like Madhupaka. Good speech comes out of his mouth. Because of your grace, good speech comes out of his mouth. So Swapako, Jalpako, Bhavati, Madhupako Pamagira. His speech becomes good. The one whose speech is never good, Chandala speech, which is never good, from him good speech start coming. Niratanko ranko viharati chiram koti kanakaihi. Ranko means poor people, poor and miserable. Niratanko, they become free from fear. Niratanko viharati chiram koti kanakaihi. Forever they will be moving around. How? Why? Because they have obtained millions of gold. For who this is, the end statement comes in the end. Who's Chandala, from whose mouth no good words come. He started speaking such good, sweet words. And the poor and neglected, miserable one who keeps roaming around. He's free from fear and he obtains gold, millions of gold. Koti kanakaihi. Tava parne karne vishati manu varne phalamidam. He says, what is the Aparna? Ambal's name, one of the names is Aparna. Aparna is the name given to her when she was doing her penance in Himalayas, in the Himalayas to Shiva, where she was not even eating leaves. So she's called Aparna. Beautiful name it is. Aparna. And sometimes a creeper without any leaves is also called. Because in so many times when the leaves wither out and drops down, only the creeper stick is there. You can see it. No? Aparna. That is like in Kanchivaram, Ambal is like Aparna because she is doing tapas there. So she is in the form of Aparna. She is doing severe tapas and like a creeper around Shiva. So Aparna. So she is like, Aparna. When these people get so much, a Chandala becomes a good talker and a poor obtain millions of gold. How do that happen? See, when your prayer enters their ears, they are not reciting anything. They are not reciting anything. When somebody is reciting and that prayer goes into their ears, when they get to hear your prayers, your namas, that is the result. The result, what resulted in a Chandala becoming a good sweet talker and a poor and distressed person becoming rich with millions of gold happens because they heard their namas entered their ears and rested in their heart. So that is how it happened. Janakho janite janani japaniyam japavido. Who will know, Mother, among all these people, the greatness of your japa, what it can give, what it can bless, the grace. Nobody knows the greatness of your japa because such is the blessings people get when they hear your prayers. Next one. Chita basma lepa. Wait, I am just changing the ragam. Chita basma lepo. Karalamashanam dikpadadaro. Chita basma lepo garalamashanam dikpadadaro. Jadadhari kande bhujagapati. Hari Pashupati. Jadadhari kante bhujagapati hari Pashupati. Jadadhari kante bhujagapati hari Pashupati. Jadadhari kante bhujagapati hari Pashupati. Chita basma lepo garalamashanam dik ದಿಕ್ಪಡದರೋ ಜಡಾಧಾರಿ ಕಂಠೆ ಭುಜಗಪತಿಹಾರಿ ಪಶುಪತಿ
जटाधारी कंठे भुजगपतिहारी पशुपति चिताभस्मालेपो गरलमशनं दिक्पटधरो जटाधारी कंठे भुजगपतिहारी पशुपति
कपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं
भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं
कपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं
कपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं कपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं
भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण
भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण
परिपाटी फलमिदम्
परिपाटी फलमिदम् परिपाटी फलमिदम्
भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदम्
भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदम् भवानी त्वत्पाणिग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदम्
We will recite it one. चिथा भस्मालेपो गरलमशनं दिक्पटधरो जटाधारी कंठे भुजगपतिहारी पशुपति कपाली भूतेशो भजति जगदीशैकपदवीं भवानी त्वत्पाणि ग्रहण परिपाटी फलमिदम्. Whenever there is when Shankaracharya gets a song, gets a chance, he loves to pull Shiva down, pulls him down. I know if you remember the stanza in Saundarya-Lahari.
Why he looks like?
No, not like that. She says like, the Bhavani Tatanka Mahima.
Yeah.
What is that? What is the beginning of that? No, it is not coming suddenly when I ask you.
He is Chira because of your.
Because hundreds of the Indra, who has done 100 Somaya Yajna, also perishes in the Karala, that poison. Like the one who is all the celestials who are to live eternally, they also perish. Everyone perishes. But this Shiva only survived after eating the Kalahala. Why, Because of your Tatanka Mahima. The Tatankam that you are wearing now, the Mahima is that he survived. The same way, he's taking a dig at Shiva here. Chitha Basma Lepo. From the cremation ground, he takes all the basmam and applies on himself. Garala Mashanam. What is his food? Poison. Poison is food. Garala Mashanam. Dikpadadharo. What is his cloth? All the 10 directions. He's a Digambara. Directions are the clothes. Look at him. Jadadhari. Matted hair. And Ghante, all all in around his neck and all the hands. Only he is what he is wearing? Snake hara. He is the head of all. He is called Pashupati. Pashupati. Okay. Kapali Bhuteshu. He is taking a kapalam as his begging bowl and roams around. But he is being worshipped as Jagadisha, Eka Jagadish. He is the only one Lord of this universe. Eka Jagadisha. You know why? Because he got your hand in marriage. Bhavani, all this because of panigrahanam, that accepting your hand in marriage. Because of that, he got that padavi. See, look at him. He enjoys it, looks like, every time he takes a dig at him. But Shivananda Lahiri is in another level. But when he talks about Ambal, he probably gets a little carried away by her. And so she says, like, he's wearing only Chitta Bhasma, and his food is poison. And Digambara, Digambara. And Jadadhari. No, hair is also not good, Jata. All snakes all around him, around his neck and around the bhujam, hands and everything. And he's holding a kapalam as his begging bowl. That kind of a person got Pathavi, Jagadish, Lord of the only one, Eka. Only one Lord of universe he is. How he got it? Because panigrahanam, you accepting your hand in marriage. He got that padavi. Na mokshasya kanksha.
Na mokshasya kanksha. Na mokshasya kanksha.
Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname.
Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname.
Na mokshasya kanksha. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname.
Na mokshasya kanksha. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname. Na mokshasya kanksha. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname.
Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi.
Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi.
Sukhe chapi na punaha.
Sukhe chapi na punaha. Sukhe chapi na punaha.
Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Sukhe chapi na punaha.
Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Sukhe chapi na punaha. Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Sukhe chapi na punaha.
Na mokshasya kanksha. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname. Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Sukhe chapi na punaha.
Na mokshasya kanksha. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname. Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Sukhe chapi na punaha. Na mokshasya kanksha. Bhava vibhava vancha bijaname. Na vijnanapeksha shashimukhi. Sukhe chapi na punaha.
Atastvam samyache.
Atasvam samyache. Atasvam samyache.
Janani jananam yadu mama vai.
Janani jananam yatu mama vai. Janani
अतस्त्वां संयाचे जननि जननं यातु मम वै
अतस्त्वां संयाचे जननि जननं यातु मम वै अतस्त्वां संयाचे जननि जननं यातु मम वै
मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव
मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव
भवानीति जपतः
भवानीति जपतः भवानीति जपतः
मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव भवानीति जपतः
मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव भवानीति जपतः मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव भवानीति जपतः
न मोक्षस्य काङ्क्षा भव विभव वाञ्छाभिचन मे न विज्ञानापेक्षा शशिमुखी सुखे चापि न पुनः अतस्त्वां संयाचे जननि जननं यातु मम वै मृडानि रुद्राणि शिव शिव भवानीति जपतः I do not desire for moksha. He says like, I don't want moksha. Mokshasya kangsha. Bhava vibhava vancha. Neither I desire for worldly fortune. Bhava vibhava vancha. The wealth in this world. I don't want moksha. I don't want wealth. This one is like, we say like bhukti mukti pradhayi. I don't want both from you. And what does he want? See, the next one. Na vijnana apeksha. I don't want even knowledge. Whether it is worldly knowledge. I desire nothing. I do not have desire enjoying the worldly comforts. I don't want anything. That is what is saying. Sashimukhi. Sashimukhi means moon-faced. Sashimukhi. Sukhe chabi na punah. Again, I don't want to enjoy these worldly pleasures. Sukham. I don't want this sukham. What I actually want from you. Atastvam samyache janani jananam vyadu mamavai. I am telling you now. Keep me in that place where I can always keep reciting your names. Mridani, Rudrani, Shiva Shiva, Bhavani. All these names, I want to remember your names and keep reciting. Put me in that direction. I don't want moksha. I don't want wealth. I don't want to enjoy anything. I don't want knowledge. But put me in that direction where I keep reciting your names always. Suddenly it becomes like, maybe after talking about Shiva, that is the reason, like suddenly it changed into a different Naraditasi vidina Vivido bacharaihi Naraditasi vidina Vivido bacharaihi
Naraditasi vidina Vividopacharaihi Naraditasi vidina Vividopacharaihi
Kim raksha chintana parair Kim raksha chintana parair Kim ruksha chintana parair Chintana parair Nakrutam vachobihi नारादितासि विधिना विविधोपचारैः किं वृक्षचिन्तनपरैर्न कृतं वचोभिः
नारादितासि विधिना विविधोपचारैः किं वृक्षचिन्तनपरैर्न कृतं वचोभिः नारादितासि विधिना विविधोपचारैः किं वृक्षचिन्तनपरैर्न कृतं वचोभिः
श्यामे त्वमेव यदि
श्यामे त्वमेव यदि श्यामे त्वमेव यदि
किञ्चन मय्यनादे
किञ्चन मय्यनाथे किञ्चन मय्यनाथे
श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किञ्चन मय्यनादे
श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किञ्चन मय्यनाथे श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किञ्चन मय्यनाथे
दत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब
धत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब धत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब
परं तवैव
परं तवैव परं तवैव
दत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब परं तवैव
धत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब परं तवैव धत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब परं तवैव
नारादितासि विधिना विविधोपचारैः किं वृक्षचिन्तनपरैर्न कृतं वचोभिः श्यामे त्वमेव यदि किञ्चन मय्यनादे दत्से कृपामुचितमम्ब परं तवैव. Beautiful stanza. This is like, Naradi dasi vidina vividopacharahi. Whatever is the tradition, prescribed tradition. I have not done anything. I have not worshipped you according to the tradition that is prescribed tradition. Naradi dasi vidina vividopacharahi. There are a lot of rituals out there. I have not done anything according to, I have not worshipped you with all these things as prescribed. Kim ruksha chintana parair nakratham vachobhi. This mind, what thoughts it did not have. All kind of thoughts it had. And the words I spoke. No, the speech, my speech, whatever I spoke. Nothing was good. Because whatever that came to my mind, I spoke. The mind had a lot of thoughts, all rough thoughts. And what all did not, I spoke everything. And, oh Shyama, Shyame Tvameva Yadi Kinchana Mayyanate. My Anathe, I am an orphan. In spite of all these things, I have not worshipped you. I have not had good thoughts, or I have not done good words. I have never spoken anything. In spite of all these things, Shyame, to this extent, Kinchana, to little extent, to this orphan. Datse Kripa Mujitamamba Paramtavipa. It is only your graciousness. You have extended your grace, O Supreme Mother. Param Tada, Amba Param, Supreme Mother. You extended your grace on me in spite of all these faults. So he calls himself as Anatha, orphan. To this orphan, you extended your grace. आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयम्
आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयम् आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयम्
करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी
करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी
करुणार्णवेशी करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी
करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी
आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयम् करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी
आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी
नेतच्चटत्वं मम भावयेत नैतच्चटत्वं मम भावयेत
नैतच्चटत्वं मम भावयेत
नैतच्चटत्वं
मम भावयेत
क्षुधा तृषार्ता जननीं स्मरन्ति
क्षुधातृषार्ता जननीं स्मरन्ति क्षुधातृषार्ता जननीं स्मरन्ति
आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणम् I think you can recite it with me. आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी नैतच्चटत्वं मम भावयेत क्षुधा तृषार्ता जननीं स्मरन्ति. Now I am deep down in my misfortunes. That is why I am remembering you. I am completely sunk in my misfortunes. That is which I did not. When I was happy, I did not even remember you anything, anytime. Now I am sunk in misfortunes. That is why I am remembering you. But, O Durga, next one he says, Karomi Durge, Karunarnaveshi. You are the ocean of compassion. You can have compassion towards me. The next one, Naitachatatvam. I am not a false person. Now I am coming. I am truly coming. I am talking truth here. I am not the one who did not believe you at that time or believing you now when I am involved. Not like that. Chatatvam, Naitachatatvam. Okay. Mama bhavayeta. This is not my bhavam. Falsehood is not my bhavam here. I am truthfully coming and telling you. Before that, I didn't think about you. Now I am sunk in misfortune. And you are the ocean of compassion. These two things you have to remember very well. Okay? And then he is asking, Kshuda Trushartha Jananim Smaranti. When will a child will think about its mother? When it's hungry and thirsty. You are my mother. And now I am in misfortune. So I am thinking about you now. Like a child who thinks about its mother when it is hungry and thirsty. I am thinking of. It is nothing wrong in that. He is himself saying like it. It is natural. It is natural for a child to think about the mother's Janani Smaranti. So it is natural for the child to think about its mother when it's hungry and thirsty. So now, all these days I didn't think, I was playing around. Now I am sunk in misfortune and I am thinking about you. Very honest opinion. So there's no falsehood, he says. In my bhavam, there's no falsehood. I am very truthful to that.
Yeah, why does it need ragam?
No, because the chandas changes. Chandas changes.
It's a
Shorter chandas here. आपत्सु मग्नस्मरणं त्वदीयं करोमि दुर्गे करुणार्णवेशी नेतच्चटत्वं मम भावयेताः क्षुधा तृषार्ता जननीं स्मरन्ति जगदम्ब विचित्रमत्र किम् परिपूर्णा करुणास्ति चेन्मयी जगदम्ब विचित्रमत्र किम् परिपूर्णा करुणास्ति चेन्मयी अपराध परंपरा परम नहि माता समुपेक्षते सुतम् अपराध परंपरा परम नहि माता समुपेक्षते सुतम् जगदम्ब विचित्रमत्र किम् परिपूर्णा करुणास्ति चेन्मयी अपराध परंपरा परम नहि माता समुपेक्षते सुतम् Jagadamba Vichitram. What is surprising in this? A child remembers the mother when it is hungry and this. There's nothing, it is a natural process. There's nothing surprising about this. It's a natural, oh no, Jagadamba. He's telling the mother, oh Jagadamba, what is surprising in this? Vichitram Atrakim. Paripurna Karuna, because you are ocean of compassion, fully filled. Paripurna. Filled with ocean, fully filled with compassion, ocean of compassion you are. Aparada parampara. This son of yours has been committing mistakes after mistakes after mistakes. There's no end to that. He's been only committing mistakes. Aparada parampara param. But Nahi mata samupekshate sudam. But the mother never abandons the son, in spite of the son making so much of mistakes after mistakes. Mother never abandons the son. In the same way, you should not abandon me. He is not spilling it out, but he is giving all examples to say, like, whatever mistakes I make, you are the one who has to forgive me and take me in. Matsamah pataki nasti.
Matsamah pataki nasti. Matsamah pataki nasti.
Papagni tvatsamanahi.
Papagni tvatsamanahi. Papagni tvatsamanahi.
Matsamah pataki nasti. Papagni tvatsamanahi.
Matsamah pataki nasti. Papagni tvatsamanahi. Matsamah pataki nasti. Papagni tvatsamanahi.
Evam nyatva mahadevi.
Evam nyatva mahadevi. Evam nyatva mahadevi.
Yatha yogyam tata kuru.
Yatha yogyam tata kuru. Yatha yogyam tata kuru.
Evam nyatva mahadevi. Yatha yogyam tata kuru.
Evam nyatva mahadevi. Yatha yogyam tata kuru. Evam
मत्समः पातकी नास्ति पापग्नि त्वत्समानहि एवं ज्ञात्वा महादेवी यथा योग्यं तथा कुरु इति ओके चलो पातकी नास्ति पापग्नि त्वत्समानहि एवं ज्ञात्वा महादेवी यथा योग्यं तथा कुरु. There is no one fallen like me. I am the worst. Mahapadaki. Mat Samapadaki. Equal to the one. I'm so much low cadre. No one is fallen down so like me. Papagni tat samanahi. No one like you who has uplifted people like me. No one can be compared to you who can uplift such a fallen person. No one is equal to you. I am fallen. You are the one who is good at uplifting fallen ones. एवं ज्ञात्वा महादेवी यथा योग्यं तथा कुरु. This you know very well. Evam Jnatva Mahadevi. You give me whatever is proper to save me. I will accept whatever you give me. Yatha Yogyam, whatever I deserve to get. You give me that. I am very happy to take whatever you give me. That is the ultimate prayer that after arguing with her so much. So consider all the factors now. I have put in the factors in front of you. Consider everything. And then give me whatever I deserve. That is enough for me. I am very happy. This is Shankaracharya's Devya Paradasha. I mean, normally, like, we have not, I have not been reciting this. I used to stop with the Shama Prarthana normally. But the literary work is so beautiful. Shankar Bhagadpadal's each and every one of the work is so beautiful. You just feel like, you cannot not recite it. It's like that. Guru Pranam.